sobrang emotional. Kasi yung last night, ginawa namin family trip. So we really heard from people very, very close to Papa that were even with him, you know, until yung last night. So sobrang yung grabe yung emotion. Kasi grabe din yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman namin sa mga tao. And I'm sure na si Papa, sobrang kinikilig yun na watching, listening, and everything. Well, number one is si Director dito si Gary. We also work for the producer of yung last play na ginawa ni Papa na sila. Tapos si Janine, yung cousin ko, Janine Gutierrez. So she really shared a lot of moments nung bata kami, yung mga funny moments niya kay Papa, tapos yung naging director niya sa mga show ko sa GMA. Tapos there was family, my sister, me, my mom. Yeah, it's really more of the close family, family and close friends. Pwede na sila talaga.
Ano yung mga memories mo?
Sobrang dami talaga. Pero kanina yung mga in-share ko, is kasi ako kasi hindi siya yung ma-express na grand gesture. Pero actually, may dala akong PowerPoint presentation. Nag-show ako, nagpapakita ko ng mga screenshots of her messages. Yung mga mundane things, yung mga maliliit na bagay. Pero si Papa ginawa, doon niya pinakita ng mga just even as simple as checking. How are you? Or actually, nag-video kami, yung nagtatanong kami, chichirya pa ba? Yung mga ganon, yung mga it's showing lang na he thinks of us. And he's always looking out for us. So yung mga small moments, how I felt my life.
And how would the life be?
You know, parang si Papa, he is, parang binigay na namin sa publiko. He gave himself to the public. I want him to be remembered, of course, for sa lahat ng mga ginawa niya sa industry. Pero hindi people really remember ang puso niya. Kasi no joke talaga yung outpour of love we got from all his friends. Iba talaga yung puso ni Papa talaga.